Hey guys, welcome back. I'm again in Buenos Aires. I have no plan for today, just wanted to go out and chill in the street of Buenos Aires and see the center of the city, the downtown. First time I'm going here. This time I didn't take a guided tour. I want to go by my own and discover the famous landmark here in Buenos Aires. So here in the metro station of Buenos Aires, we can pay directamente with the Apple Watch. Let's try it out. It's my turn. I replace my Apple Watch. Doesn't work. Let's give it another try. Why this one doesn't work? ¿Por qué no funciona?
Allá, aquí no, allá, mirá. Vení. Esto.
Yeah, it works. Don't know, it's a poem. What is that? Pool. Huge building here. Don't know what's this building. Let's check. We are in Plaza de Mayo. It's very confusing, the red lights here. Sometimes it's red light and you can cross when there is a counter. Just down the red light you can cross. When there isn't, you cannot cross. So sometimes it's very confusing. He's selling some gifts. Let's see if he has something interesting. Hola. ¿Tienes el manto? El manto. ¿Cómo se dice? Imán. Tengo. Bonito. Tiene. They have here Boca Junior. Obrigado. Gracias. Yeah, let's cross the street, see this building from this angle. Maybe it's better. I don't know what's this building. Maybe it's the cathedral. We are in Plaza de Mayo, and this is... it's the cathedral. First time I see a cathedral like that. It looked like Place Madeleine in Paris. Very huge building. Yeah, no need to enter inside because sometimes they tell you to don't film the inside of the cathedral. So let's continue outside in this Plaza de Mayo. Sunny today. Oh, he's doing peanuts. Yeah, that's cool. In Latin America, everyone wants to get filmed with the camera. They smile and all of that. In Paris, it's very rare. Usually, vendors in the street don't want to get filmed because they are scamming the tourists. They are not selling good stuff, and the people who live in Paris don't like to get filmed at all, and tourists same, they just want to smile in front of their own camera. But here in South America it's very easy to do vlogging. People are more welcoming, are more open to talk. Yeah, you see all the monuments now are surrounded by this grid, metal grid. Is to protect it because they said that during the pandemic, due to the economic crisis, many people went to try to steal some element from those monuments. So it's very bad that the monuments now are surrounded with those metal grid. I hope that they will remove it one day. First time I see that in a capital, monument surrounded by metal grid. It's like jail, like prison. Give more freedom. Here we have the government place, I think it's the government place. Let me check in Google Maps. Casa Rosada, federal government office. Okay, it's pink, it's giant, the flag of Argentina. Yeah, we made it to this beautiful plaza. So grateful to all the support that they gave us, guys, that we can travel and share with you stories, not only from Paris, but from all around the world. Thank you so much. Yeah, este será el color de la nueva divisa. Don't know, it's a poem. The sky is blue for today, that's cool. But what I like in South America, even when it's winter like today, there is always sun. What we have here, rocks. Why they have rocks? Should have taken a guided tour to know what is that. Not often. There is people who died in the Revolution, I think, or something like that. Oh, there is even money. 200. Yeah, the people are putting money in this place. It's surrounded by plexiglass. There is the monument, very beautiful one. Today I'm in pink. So yeah, let's take a picture in pink. Let's ask someone to take picture. Scusa, puedes coger un foto para mí? Gracias. Oh, we finished doing the tourist. We take some souvenir photo here. Yeah, let's go this way. Yeah, here we say Argentina. We don't say Argentina. I prefer to go by my own. No need to know all the story of the city. Just want to know the story that I want to know. Because in 3 hours maybe we'll get 1 or 2 information. Yesterday in Recoleta guided tour, she talked about Recoleta only for 20 minutes or something like that. Very few from a tour of 3 hours. I really felt bored many times in the tour. Oh, excuse me. Oh, he missed it and he's into it. Oh, so cool, this monument. It's like postcard image with the sky behind. I really like how it looks. Very quiet. This place, we are Saturday. It's really quiet. They said that here they do a market each Sunday. Tomorrow we will try to go here and see the vibe during the market. Also, I want to buy some souvenir gifts. I want to buy the mate to bring it back to Paris. I really like the flavor of the mate. Yesterday I tried in the coffee and also in the hostel I tried. So cool. But if you try it without sugar, it's a little bit bitter. For that, I like it more when it was with sugar. But so good, the mate. The street here are pictures. Let you enjoy this beautiful street of Buenos Aires. Also, it's calm, too calm for today. It's like postcard pictures. Oh, he have artisanal. Buenos Aires. Oh, he has artisanal. Look very old. To know what this is to record voice, still all working or no. It's a flea market, small flea market. Books. Gracias. Yeah, that's cool. Let's go to San Telmo, which is the historical center of the city. It's so charming, the street here. It has a vibe from Italy, honestly. The street, the building, they look like the cities in Italy. I don't know what she said to me, but yeah, I smile when you don't know, just smile. Hola. You see, guys, people are so welcoming in Argentina. They smile to you, they say to you hi. Very rare in Paris that people stop me like that and say to me hi. Even outside of the camera, they don't say to you hi in Paris. Oh, that's cool, this place. Really like. Look closer. Let's continue. Mujeres, Negros. Uruguay. We will go to Uruguay. Oh, there is an abandoned rails. I don't know, maybe it was train there. Where are we now? Yeah, a lot of these flea shops. I don't know, they sell a lot of stuff. Oh, they have Feria Americana. Oh, they have matas here. They have a lot of gifts. Maybe we can go and see if we can buy some gift. World Cup. Here is the religion football. You see the Messi, the element. Which one should take? Very beautiful. I don't know how much is it. 2 for 5 euros. Yeah, we'll take. To know who is this character. It looks famous. It's Mafalda, Argentina. Okay. We will just go it later to see it later. But not Buenos Aires. Not Buenos Aires. Let's see what they have more in this shop. They have t-shirt of Mafalda. Don't know who's this character. I'll ask ChatGPT. Here is Maradona. Oh, Messi t-shirt. Messi t-shirt, Copa America, Boca Juniors. A lot of items. Shebuludo. What it means, Shebuludo. Yeah, let's continue the tour. I will ask ChatGPT what is Mafalda. What's Mafalda? Buenos Aires. Oh, he's thinking. I don't know what he will say. Oh, let's read. Mafalda is one of Argentina's most beloved and iconic comic strip character. Characterized by Kino, she's recognized by her sharp wit, concern for humanity, and humor social commentary. Where to find statue in San Telmo historic connection. The location was chosen because it's right in front of the former home of Kino, Mafalda creator at Chile. The same street that inspired her story. Why Mafalda matters? It's a cultural icon. Big issue like peace, human rights, all that. International recognition. Oh, San Telmo con amor. Let's go and check. Oh, we have Messi there with the cap. Doesn't really look like Messi. So not? We have Messi. He won the cup. Does he really look like Messi? I don't think so. And here we have Mafalda. Oh, so cute. Yeah, let's sit next to her. She's thinking, I don't know about what. Let's see what item they have here. Dulce de leche. We'll bring one to home also. Obelisco. ¿Qué?
Cualquier duda, podés consultar.
Ah, gracias. Son mates. That costs around 25.
Es el principal mate argentino, el mate imperial.
Ese. It's the imperial one, the most classic one. How much it cost me?
If you pay in cash, you have 10% off.
Okay. I prefer small ones to have a lot of space.
In Argentina, we say curar. You need
Curar.
to curar el mate. Okay?
What it means curar?
Poner yerba húmeda adentro y dejar que se seque para preparar la calabaza, ¿sí? Este no necesita porque es de plástico, es mucho más práctico, ¿sí? Es para alguien que se va al trabajo con el mate, se va a la facultad con el mate, va con un amigo, entonces lleva de plástico. Pero todo argentino tiene al menos uno de esos.
Y este se queda al casa.
Sí. O llevas para decir, mira lo que tengo.
Oh, so we keep this one in house and stay all the day, and this one is more practical. We can take it with us. I think I will go for those ones. 38.
Ese la gente también lleva de un lado al otro, pero sí puedes cargarlo, ¿no? Ese es para en el bolso y salir caminando.
Muy interesante. También hay aquí jerseys, Mafalda, y mantos. Oh, €5 for this quality. It's the best quality. I don't know how much it costs this part. They are like wood. A lot of choices in this flip-flops. Gracias. Yeah, let's leave and see other shops. Oh no, it's here. The Mafalda statue, everyone is taking picture with her. So cool, let's go from the other side. It's the attraction of the place. We want to take picture with her. So cute. Yeah, long queue, but let's do it. Let's sit in the queue and make the memory picture. I will ask someone to take me a picture. Yes?
Mucho de tango. Acá en Puerto Madero hay una promo, 30 artistas, la comida, la bebida y el show a 45.000 pesos en efectivo, 48 con tarjeta. Reserva por WhatsApp y para ganarlo.
It looks interesting, but it's so expensive. It's expensive.
English no,
Es caro.
no es caro.
¿Con la comida o
Con
son-
cena, show y bebida.
Sí.
Una discoteca vale 30.000 pesos con una cerveza. Es una promoción que va a ser caro. Ni en Europa, ni en el país que está más barato, un show de nivel, una promo increíble. No
Sí.
es caro. Si tú caminaste en la ciudad, no viste bien porque no podés entender que es muy barato y de calidad. Mirá lo que es esto y vas a decir que es caro. Mirá la vista.
Es más bonito.
Mega producción con 30 artistas. Agota todos los días.
¿Tienes una página de Instagram?
Anota el WhatsApp, liga por
Ah.
ahí, reserva y págala. No es muy barato, ¿qué va a ser caro?
Yeah, enough from San Telmo. I'm going to Caminito to see what's happening there and take some souvenir picture from there. They told me that the neighborhood is dangerous. It's better to go with the taxi and just see Caminito and go back because all the other neighborhood around are dangerous. No need to walk and discover by walking.